Hey guys, it's Nelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing my super easy everyday 5-minute face makeup tutorial, and we're going to do it Vogue inspired, the Vogue Beauty Secrets inspired. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to start off by moisturizing my skin, and this is the Charlotte's Magic Cream. I love this stuff so much. It makes your skin look super nice and healthy and glowy, and it moisturizes you so much. So if you have dry skin, you will love this. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of primer, and this is the Fenty Beauty Primer, and I'm going to do about 1 pump. I'm just going to apply this all over the skin. Moving on to foundation, I'm going in with the It Cosmetics CC Cream, and I'm going to be using a little bit of the Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Glow. I'm actually going to blend it in with my hands just to save some time. And look at how glowy it looks. I love this combination. I love this product because it removes any redness, it covers up any blemishes, but it's still really nice and lightweight. So it's not as heavy as a foundation. The days that I'm doing a super quick and easy makeup look, I like to use my fingers just because it saves us time and it just blends everything so much faster and so much better. And don't forget to bring it down your neck so that everything matches. I'm going to go in with a little bit of concealer right in here just to cover up any darkness, and this is the YSL Touche Eclat. And then again, I'm going to go in with my finger and I'm just going to blend this in. And I know that I do a lot of videos where I use a bunch of brushes and all that, but most of the time when I'm in a rush, this is really the makeup look that I do. I just go in with my finger and just kind of buff everything in. Okay, so I am going to very quickly brush my brows up, and I like to fill in as quickly as possible any little area that might need a little extra oomph. On days like today where I'm going for like a super natural makeup, I actually like to go in with my mascara and I wipe off a lot of the excess, and I run this through my brows and brush them up. So moving on to bronzer, I'm going in with the Chanel Tan de Soleil bronzer. It is a cream bronzer, and I am just going to bronze up my skin and give me a nice bronzy glow. And I like to take it right here in the apple of the cheek just to bronze us up a little bit more. And also don't forget up here in the forehead. So I do like to set my skin with a powder. I'm taking the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder in number 2. And I am going to apply a light layer of this all over my skin. I like to look really nice and bronzy, so I am gonna go in with the powder bronzer and just bronze up a little bit more. Also gonna take a little bit of my bronzer and put it up here in my lid. I'm just gonna run it all over. And my brush was dirty. That's why it's going on a little bit more intense. So I'm just gonna wipe it off because I don't want it to be too crazy. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of liquid highlight, and this is from Topshop in the shade Gleam. It's my absolute favorite liquid highlight ever. It's so incredibly pigmented. I'm going to put this on the tops of the cheekbones. Again, using my finger and lightly patting it in. And I'm also going to put a little bit on the tip and bridge of the nose and up here on the arch of the brow. I'm going to go ahead and apply mascara to my top and bottom lashes. I'm going to go in with a little bit of a pinky blush. Can you see that? My blush is completely shattered. I'm going to apply to the apple of my cheek. And don't worry if it looks clownish because we're gonna blend it in just a second. Taking a translucent powder and a big fluffy brush, I'm gonna run this all over my skin to soften everything up. and this is also going to further blend. I'm going to take a little bit of the highlight once again and apply it right here in the inner corner. I'm going to go ahead and line my lips using a very nude shade. Again with the nude, this is a Charlotte Tilbury in Bitch Please, and I love this so much. I'm just gonna tap this on the lips. I'm definitely a gloss girl, so I'm going in with the Buxom gloss in Ariana. It's a really pretty gold shade, and I am going to apply this in the center. Alrighty, and then last but certainly not least, I have to set my makeup just so that everything just kind of melts in together. So I'm going in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Alrighty, so this is my 5-minute everyday face inspired by Vogue Beauty Secrets. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very, very soon with a super glam look. I love you, and I'll see you later. Mwah!